Click the link in my bio does not work anymore. I mean, it doesn't take much to understand that you also don't click on many links in anyone's bio. If you're a brand or a business on social media, your only goal is to turn viewers into leads. And today I'm going to lay out the strategy we've been using to generate hundreds of leads per day on autopilot, and I'll show you proof of how good it actually worked out for us. I'll break it down for you and show you how you can implement the same strategy and start creating hundreds of leads every single day. You will see how we systematically engage with leads, qualify them, and close them into the appropriate product or CTA during the conversation. This is the best Instagram DM funnel you will ever see. This funnel maximizes your conversion from views to leads, and there is no better way. This strategy will change the game for many companies out there because this really gets leads coming to you. And now let me show you what I'm talking about. So let's go to Instagram. This is our Instagram profile, omnifusion.ai. If you don't follow us already, please go ahead and do so. As you can see, we currently have 19,000 followers and we reached 1.3 million accounts in the last 30 days. And as we just said, our goal is to convert as many of those viewers into potential leads for our business. And as you can see, we have put out 193 posts on this Instagram account, and all of them were AI generated. We automated the whole process of creating AI generated branded content. So none of this is actually me. So I didn't record those videos. Our team is taking care of creating them with AI on a daily basis, sometimes twice a day. A big heads up goes to the content team at OmniFusion. Like, they make things possible. It took us over 100 posts to even get to a couple hundred followers. And at some point, with consistent content and always improving content, the account started to blow off and we got like thousands of followers every single day. And currently we're still getting hundreds of followers every single day and continuing to put out content to grow that account. But what I want to show you here is that we have 1.3 million accounts reached in the past 30 days. So our goal now is to convert as many people as possible from those 1.3 million accounts which we have reached into potential leads for our business. And just to show how well click the link in my bio works, I'll show you the numbers we do. So as you can see, we have reached 1.3 million accounts in the past 30 days with our content, and 1,500 people clicked on the link in our bio, which is a decent number and is more than 0.1% of all our viewers who actually viewed our content. 0.1% of that clicked on the link in our bio, which is decent, but I will show you something which will blow your mind because we can get this up to 10, 20 times more than that. And these numbers should show you how insane the strategy works. So we had 154,000 accounts engage with our account or with our content. That means that's round about 10% of all viewers. From 1.3 million, it's even more than 10% of all viewers. And the most important metric we need here for us is the comments. As you can see, there were 32,000 comments on our reels, which for me sounds like 32,000 potential leads for my business. And this is exactly what we're gonna do. So this is our follower growth in the past 30 days. As you can see, it's consistently rising because we have consistently creating and posting content, which is one of the best ways to get inbound leads for your business. On this channel, we usually talk a lot about outbound strategies and how to automate Instagram DMs, for example, or cold emails to get clients for your business. But in parallel, you should always have organic growth strategies for your business, which, for example, we are doing with OmniFusion and AI generated content. And we proved it works. So this account is growing and will hit 100,000 followers easily this year. And this strategy is repeatable. And we also generate really good leads out of those because the target audience of our content is exactly the target audience of our business. If you want to know more about all the things I just told you, let me know in the comments and I may create a more in-depth video about any of the topics you want me to discuss. But now let's continue with the strategy and show you how it actually works. So we are on this account. We have 1.4 million views on this one, and check this out. We have 34,000 comments on this post. So this post alone gave us 34,000 potential leads we can contact. This is insane. If we go to the DMs, you can see that there is a lot of activity. So we're getting hundreds of DMs every single day. And those DMs are usually resulting from the comments under the post. In our content, most of the time, we give them some valuable resource or some link they might want to have. And they just need to comment a word or send us a DM with that specific word, and we will send them the resource on Instagram. And this works wonders because if you make great content about great things and they need to comment to get what they are looking for, then you can easily convert them into a DM. And from there, it's not a cold DM anymore. So usually with Auto IG DM, we talk about cold DMs and how to reach out to specific target target audience clients. But in this case, this is not a cold DM. This is warm because the user actually started to engage with you. So we can use automation tools to automate everything, and there is no limits to this strategy. If you get 10,000 DMs a day, this will work for 10,000 DMs a day. And this is what we're going to do with our account. So we had days with multiple thousand comments where everything was automated and it was just working. So as you can see, there's a lot of activity in the DMs. I can literally scroll forever. There's thousands and thousands of DMs and it never ends. So as you can see, there's a whole lot of DMs going on our OmniFusion channel. If you have one reel that goes viral and if people place 20,000 comments there, it's very much possible that you find a couple clients under those viewers if you convert them right, which I'm going to show you now. So people watch our content and get some valuable information out of that, and usually have some link or website or anything they want to get out of this information. On Instagram, you cannot add links to the description. So the easiest way for us to make it possible for them is just to comment the word under that post and we will automatically send them the link to the resource. But we don't stop there. After this happened, we can then track if he clicked the link or not. And from there, as soon as he has seen that message, we can automatically send him a follow-up message asking if he found that resource helpful. And on top of that, we can also ask our first qualifying question. And with this question coming from the account, they got value out already. They are super open to answer and to reply and to go into a conversation with you. And I will show you exactly how good in a second. So implementing this strategy in your business can make you millions. And we're giving out this sauce for free on YouTube so you become successful. The only thing I ask for is a like to this video and subscribe to the channel if you like these kinds of content. Really appreciate the support. And now let me take you to the dashboard and show you what's going on. As you can see here, we are logged into our Manychat. For this strategy to work, you will need to use Manychat or something similar, but Manychat works best for us. We work with Manychat in so many ways and with so many clients, and for now it's the best possible solution out there. If you want to try it out, there is a link for the free trial in the description. So, and as you can see, this is our dashboard on Manychat with the OmniFusion account, where you can see the live chat, and here you can actually see all the DMs that come in and go out. So taking one example from here, what's happening is someone comments under a reel he has seen. In this case, he has seen a reel about the audiobook and he wants to get the link to that tool which we're talking about in that post. He comments under the post and we're immediately sending him out the resource as a link. There we go. From here we can see that we sent the link, he sent us a message, what's the tool, and we have sent him the follow-up message we always send out. PS, we post a ton of value on getting more clients and making money with AI in our free community and on our YouTube channel, which is true. You're on the YouTube channel right now. If you're not in the school community yet, it's free and there are close to 4,000 people already. Feel free to join that. There will also be a link to that in the description, obviously. And after that, here these links already have an insane click-through rate, and I will show you that as well. Then we're sending the last message. Hey there, just checking in to see if you found the resource helpful. Are you a business owner or do you make money online? And from there, our AI appointment setter takes care of qualifying the lead and then closing them or sending them a CTA, whatever the qualification is. So as you can see in this conversation, our AI completely handled the whole conversation with this guy, trying to figure out if it's a potentially good client for OmniFusion or Auto IGDM, and then sending them our way. If not, they send them to the free community or to YouTube or to any other CTA you might want to use. But we don't lose these people, because if they join school, we have their email address. If they see us on YouTube, they probably go into some of our videos where they will see that we know what we are talking about and then schedule a call or become a client later down the road. However, these leads are not wasted and they are used and converted into something. In this case, our AI actually helped this guy. So as you can see, the AI sent the school link and he said, just join, thank you. So this is a converted lead into a free school community, for example. And from there, he can consume our content or convert anywhere else later, or just enjoy the free resources and free content we provide. If it helps him, that's already everything we need. But if at any point he needs some help or needs to use any of our tools or let us create all these automations for him, then he will become a client and we will make the same thing happen for him, and this lead will be converted into a client. And it even creates valuable responses for the lead. So in this case, he wanted to get some help with easy reels, tools or something like that, and our AI actually responded with a valuable answer. And so yeah, let me show you some juicy numbers. Just 1 week ago, we started this new flow and it has already sent more than 4,000 times, and I will show you how it works step by step. But I'm not Emil to tell you how all the techie stuff works. If you want to see him create all of this, comment down below and I'm pretty sure he will create a video for you of how he does this and how you can do it as well. And what we can see, the things we need right now, is that it has sent this message out already 3,300 times, because it has some requirements to continue the flow. 3,300 DMs in the past 6 days. I just saw that it's 6 days old. And we have have 2,700 opens, which is an open rate of 82%. In which other outreach method can you show a 80+% open rate? This is amazing, and this works so well. Why? Because they came to us because they wanted something, they got some value, and then if we send them a DM from our OmniFusion account, they are delighted to open it. They're excited of what it says because they're open to reply or take this conversation. And as you can see, even 14% of those conversations clicked one of our links, which is crazy. 14% click rate on thousands of DMs. Just think about this. This is crazy numbers. And if another reel goes viral, there will be another 10, 20,000 people who will get those messages. Let me show you how that looks like. Let us go to the automation with that reel of 1.4 million views and see those results. This has been sent 25,000 times. Imagine triggering the flow to 25,000 people with just one piece of content, which is the result of hard and consistent work, creating those content pieces, sending them out and getting the results in after time. And now with the new workflow, they will all get followed up. And from there, the AI will qualify them if they are suitable for our business or not, or how else we can help those leads in whatever they want to achieve. And this is just a new flow we added. So this is the original flow where we sent out the link. And as you can see, it was sent out 25,000 times and people clicked it 44%. We have a 44% click rate. This is insane. So 11,000 people have clicked this link which we have sent. This stat by itself is insane, right? Nobody sits in our DMs, nobody's reading them because everything is automated and this workflow just works. I hope you can implement this and get the rewards from it as well. So I hope this was proof enough to show you that this strategy works, and I hope you now know what you have to do. If you want funnels and setups like this done for you, reach out to us at omnifusion.ai and we can help you building custom campaigns for you, fully automated with AI, and we can build anything from outreach to inbound systems to get you more clients. What I just showed you obviously only works if you have viewers or if you have an audience. If you have a dead Instagram account, this will not magically give you unlimited leads. But if you have a dead Instagram account, you should ask yourself why. Because these days it's so easy to get ideas, create content, especially in short form, and you can even automate the whole process. If you want to know how we create so much content for our Instagram account and TikTok and YouTube Shorts, by the way, let me know in the comments and I might explain you more about that topic as well. And what you have seen is just one viral video. So this viral video created so many engagement and so many leads for us. And you can rinse and repeat this process all over again with new content. And if you don't have the traction and audience yet on social media or on your content, that's totally normal because this takes time to build up. With our OmniFusion channel, we are now posting for nearly 4 months straight every single day and are just now seeing the results of all the hard work of the past couple months. In that case, you might be better off with cold DM outreach, which works from day one, no matter how big your Instagram account is. If you want to know how that works, click the video right here. As always, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have a question down below. Leave a like, subscribe to this channel, everything else. Thank you very much. See you in the next one. Peace.